alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to focus on increasing collateral using BarakaFi and repaying the loan. So what we do initially is ensure that our wallet is connected, as we saw in the previous review. Now we go to financing dashboard and we look at the financing line that we want to consider. So in this case, as you recall, we locked up 15 USDC for 429.15959 ISLM with a repayment rate of 1.9%, and we can see the loan is active. So what we do is we go to details, and we can see here that we can repurchase the ISLM by providing 15.285 USDC, or we can increase the collateral. So today I want to increase the collateral because I've seen where ISLM is up to, and I just want a little more comfort in myself because I think ISLM is great and I don't want to lose my ISLM. So what we do is we click increase collateral, and then we decide what we want to increase it by. So I want to increase it by 100 ISLM. So what we do is we press increase collateral, we get a transaction to sign, we sign the transaction, and we just wait for this to go through. Essentially what's happening is the 100 ISLM that I want to increase it by is going to Baraka, and it's going to increase this number by 100, thereby increasing my reducing my liquidation risk. And there we go. You can see there 529.15959 ISLM. The 100 ISLM has been added to what we did originally. Now I've got to the stage where I've done everything that I wanted to do with the USDC. I want my ISLM back and I'm ready to repurchase. It is before the 40-day deadline, which was January the 15th, 2025. So now I will just press approve repurchase. I have the 15.285 USDC ready, and the first thing MetaMask does as a security is request that you add a spending cap to make sure nothing untoward happens. So we agree to the spending cap, we approve it, and the BarakaFi and MetaMask are agreeing to this requirement. So we just wait for that to come through. It does take 10 to 15 seconds, sometimes a little longer. On this occasion it is taking a little longer, but this is a good security mechanism to ensure that you have control over your assets in your wallet. So we'll just wait for that to come through. There we go. We can see that it's been confirmed. Now that spending limit is in place, I can feel comfortable in what I'm doing. So I now press repurchase token, and we can see that another indication comes up. This is for repayment. So when I press confirm now, what I'm agreeing to is providing 15.285 USDC so I can recover my collateral. So I press confirm, and that's as simple as it gets. The tokens are being repaid. That 15.285 USDC is going in for recovery of the collateral that I put down to obtain. There we have it. The finance has been repurchased. Now if we go back to view financing line, we can see here that the loan has been repaid. It's as simple as that. And the ISLM that I locked away as collateral has all been returned to me. And on that note, I will conclude this walkthrough. I hope that's been very helpful. If you have any questions, please do join us on Instagram, Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you decide to contact us, and we'll keep an eye out and we'll hopefully answer your questions. Okay, on that note, Allah Hafiz.